Happy Friday! Thanks for tuning in today. A lot of you guys have been asking me for a quick morning skincare routine, so I decided to do the 5-minute challenge when it comes to skincare. I see all the makeup ones, but what about skincare? So today we're going to be doing a timed 5-minute skincare routine. Are you guys ready? Also, if you guys want to see more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below if you want to see more 5-minute challenge type videos. Okay? Alright, let's get started. Introducing today's lineup of products that I'll be using for my 5-minute skincare routine. First up, grabbing 2 of my hair clips, I'm going to clip the sides of my hair in place so that it doesn't get in the way. Now I'm going to start the timer. Here we go. In the morning, I grab a hot towel and give my face a nice steam and wipe. This helps refresh the face and makes your skincare products work better. Mama Chiu and Grandma Chiu do this every single day, and that's why I keep doing it. Next, I'm going to grab Origin's Mega Mushroom Soothing Lotion and apply this with a cotton pad all over the face. This lotion is great if you wake up and have redness in certain areas of the skin, and it is especially soothing if you have sensitive skin too. Whenever you use toner, lotions, and essences, make sure you dry it first before putting anything else on. And to speed up the drying process, I just like to use my hands and use them as my fans. Next up, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite serums, the Vichy Mineral 89. 2 pumps all over the face. I love this serum because it's super hydrating, it feels like water on the skin, and it's great for underneath makeup. And really let this absorb, and now on to the next step. And yes, we are looking good for time, you guys. Oh boy, 1 minute down. Can we make it under 5 minutes? Let's see. My skin has been loving the Clarins Extra Firming Day Cream. I take about a quarter size amount and warm it up in my hands and then apply it all over the face. As I get older, using a firming day cream helps my skin feel tight and fresh looking. So I always like to have something that's really quite moisturizing and hydrating first thing in the morning. Now a very important step is applying SPF. My go-to is the Origins A Perfect World with SPF 40. I can't stress enough how crucial wearing SPF is every day. Mama Chiu always said, if you're gonna do one good thing for your skin, it's to wear SPF every day when you wake up. Thanks, Mom! In the mornings, my trick to glowing skin is to apply the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream underneath the eyes. Inspired by a makeup artist, this brightening eye cream contains special pigments to instantly brighten and color correct the eye area. I love it because it makes me look much more awake than I actually am, and reduces the look of dark circles, which is amazing, especially in those early mornings. To top it off, I'm going to apply a bit of Marine Bee Lip Repair with calendula, beeswax, and pomegranate to help hydrate the lips. This is definitely one of those things that you don't want to forget in the mornings, and I always have time for it. And last but not least, with lots of time to spare, I'm going to moisturize my hands with the Sage Sentiva Soothing Body Lotion. I love this brand. It's 100% natural and smells like you're in the spa, which is a beautiful scent to wake up to, and now we're done. Skincare doesn't have to be a long and arduous thing. It can be very simple, very quick, especially if you're like me and you just need to do something quick in the morning and just get out, whether it's for school, for work. So this is a perfect example of how you can do it in less than 5 minutes. We are good on that. Thank you again so much for tuning in today, and make sure you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I love you, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!